Hello from Slovenia again. Today I decided that I will go a little bit wild. Hey babe, take a walking on wild side. Sorry. As you can see, I have some yellows, magenta, black and gold. And you will not guess that I will use magenta as my background. And I will pour my background today in front of you because some of you ask me how thick it is, how much base coat you have to put on your canvas, so that's why I will do it in front of you today. But it may take a little longer. Sometimes you don't want your videos to be so long, and that's why I normally put my base coat off camera, and most of you don't want to see this watch this paint just spreading on the canvas. But for those who are maybe new and want to see this part of the process from the very beginning, because I get questions what I poured on the canvas, or is it canvas or tile or wood, or I don't know, all sorts of questions. But because your paint have to be thick for reverse flower dips, that's why the spreading part takes a little longer. If you would do a base coat for a ring pour or something, open cup, or even balloon dip and string pull, you would use thinner base coat, so it would flow a little easier. But for the flower dips, reverse flower dips, your base coat should be the same consistency as your other paints. So let's see if I covered my sides, and meanwhile my base on the canvas will level out a little more. You can always touch your sides later, as you know that it's a very vibrant background. And when I decided that I will do, I just have to grab my torch. When I decided that I will do magenta background, I have to put this light aside. I was thinking, let's go totally out of my comfort zone and do some wild combination, but still I have in mind that I don't want to get just some mud over on my canvas. So when you use magenta and yellow, you will get some oranges out of it, so I'm not afraid of some mud. I hope that I will not get a lot of green out of black and yellow, but and my so I will start with black, and I will add black with my pipette because I don't want kind of I don't want white. Is this the right word? Pop. I want thin layer. No, not thin layer. I don't want too much black, so okay. And gold will be next. Metallic gold. And I will try to go like this, so that I will not have this bold, I don't know it's the right word again. What is with my, but I want a little more black here. I just don't want to get a black circle around. That's why I trying to do it like this. I don't know, maybe I just messed everything up. And next will be cadmium yellow deep hue. Okay, and lemon yellow. You see how magenta creates some orange already. I checked my squeeze bottle, but still I get some blobs in here again. Maybe I will start using only pipettes. Work with me. How I hate this part. Maybe this is just happening with my pouring medium because I don't see that anyone else has as much problems with squeeze bottles as I do, so. Okay, and I have primary red. No, it's not. I think that it's transparent red. Permanent red. I have to say. And I'm just thinking to add just a touch of pearl white. Just here. Okay. Interesting. I'm really curious how this will work together, or it will be too wild. I will spray my paper towel, paper napkin. And I will try to place it down as nice as I can. Okay. And now I will just top this a little bit in this circle shape. Spiral shape, I should say, probably. And now the lifting part. Okay. Wow. I think that it's not too wide. I will have to add some magenta around. I will just do this, and as I predict, or as all of you probably know, I did get some orange out of this mixture, so you see I will have to add some magenta here around, or maybe I will paint it later when it will be dry. So I will leave it for now. I will torch it. And then we can and I will pause you and take you for a close-up. So Wow. See all this. Sorry for the glare, but I hope that you still can see it. All this lacing in different colors, and I didn't get too much black around, so I'm happy. This is the look that I was hoping for. I really like this center and this, see, I have this gold and black edge and some little less lacing because I did that, but I really like this one. I have pretty quite a lot of troubles with yellow flowers, but this one, I think it turned out just gorgeous. Yay! So, this is the first one of my wild series, and if you like it and you didn't subscribe yet, please do. Give me some thumbs up, maybe leave a comment, and stay tuned to see which combination will be next. Wild one. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!